we have filed a public interest litigation because after we have knocked the doors of the government, we have knocked the doors of the forest department, we have even petitioned MOEF, we have petitioned the panchayat. No one cares a damn attitude is shown in this case, all because we believe and we have pleaded in the petition that the project proponent is none other than Abhijat Parrikar, who is the son of Manohar Parrikar. The government of Goa rushes to bring an ordinance. Now what is this ordinance? It inserts section 42A in the Town Planning Act. And it says, this is the most interesting, that if anybody applies for any development in an ESZ, in an eco-sensitive zone, you will not require conversion under the Land Revenue Code, and you will not require conversion under the Regional Plan, under the Town Planning Act. You can have an ordinance rushed through, and then conditions are put that the project should be not less than 20,000 square meters and not more, and not, at least it should have 5%, not exceeding 5% of the area should be utilized.
It is a blatant violation of Forest Conservation Act.
तेणे 2013 गव्हर्मेंटान नेतुर्ले विलेज जी आसा ती अटल आदर्श ग्राम विकास योजने खाली नेतुर्ले विलेज घेतली. गोंयकारांक सगळ्यांक बरें दिसलें, नेतुर्लेच्या गांवांक बरें दिसलें की ही विलेज एडॉप्ट केली. पूण ही विलेज कित्याक एडॉप्ट केली? कारण तेजे सेल डीड केन्ना जाला ते दोतोरान तुमकां ऑलरेडी सांगलां. सो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या योजनेचो सुद्दां कसो फायदो घेवप आपल्याल्या प्रोजेक्टाक, आपल्या फॅमिलीक, ते ह्यातूंतल्यान एक्सपोज जाता.